Alden Richards on leading Lady Catherine Bernardo. She's very much excited to try new things. Kaya nakakatuwa sa proseso na yung magkasama kami, of course, while doing this film. Pinuri ni Alden Richards, 32, na positibo ang mga pagbabagong nakikita niya ngayon sa Hello Love Again, leading lady na si Catherine Bernardo, 28. Ayon sa kapuso-aktor, nag-mature si Catherine at masaya siya na bahagi siya sa magagandang pagbabago na nangyari sa kapariha. Nakapanayam si Alden sa 4th Star Awards for Movies na ginaganap sa Henry Lee Irwin Theater sa Ateneo de Manila University noong July 21. She's more mature now. She's very much excited to try new things. Kaya nakakatuwa na sa proseso na yung magkasama kami while doing this film. Lumipad papuntang Canada si Alden kagabi, July 27, na una nang dumating doon si Catherine. Sa Canada, gaganapin ang shooting ng Hello Love Again kung saan nagtatrabaho ang karakter ni Catherine bilang Joy. Catherine shows a snapshot of her script for Hello Love Again. Ayon kay Alden, excited siya sa sequel na ito ng Hello Love Goodbye na kumikita ng 888 pesos worldwide gross noong 2019. Ito ang highest grossing Filipino film bago ito napalitan ng Metro Manila Film Festival entry na Rewind. Very excited and looking forward kasi it's been 5 years since yun ang chance namin para makapag-work uli to retell the story of young sequel na Hello Love Goodbye. Tinanghal si Alden bilang Movie Actor of the Year para sa pelikulang 5 Breakups and a Romance. Katay niya si Dingdong Dantes para sa pelikulang Rewind. Labis ang pasasalamat ni Alden sa karangalang na ipagkaloob sa kanya ng MPPC. Very honored na makasama ko si Kuya Dong dito. At the same time, thankful ako sa recognition for 5 Breakups and a Romance. Kinabahan ba siya sa mga kapwa nominado niya? Oo naman, di kasi basta-basta ang mga nominees dito sa Movie Actor of the Year. Nagpapasalamat ako for this award and of course for the members of MPPC. Meanwhile, actress Catherine Bernardo has arrived in Canada to begin shooting Hello Love Again, the sequel to local blockbuster Hello Love Goodbye. A few days ago, fans traveled to the Ninoy Aquino International Airport Terminal 1 to see off Catherine and her team before they flew out. The actress recently posted photos of her arrival in Canada, including airport and plane pictures, food, photos, and the number of luggage her and her team brought. The very last photo in Catherine's post was of the Hello Love Again script written by Carmi G, Raimundo, and Crystal S. San Miguel under the direction of Cathy Garcia Sampana. Both screenwriters and the directors work on Hello Love Goodbye, which was the highest grossing Filipino film of all time until it was surpassed by Rewind. A sequel to the 2019 film was confirmed earlier this year to be partial set in Canada, where Catherine's character Joy flew to the other end of the film.